Hello everyone. Today we have a new job. It's an HP laptop. Model number is what? Its model number, yeah, 15-CC502NE. This laptop came in with its charger. It's a 65-watt charger, a blue pin one, as it is called. So as per customer, he says whenever he inserts his charger to the laptop, the charger won't charge or not giving any sign of charging. Let us try it right now. It's not from this side, sorry. It is from this side. Yeah, there's no sign of charging. Even though he tried another charger from another place, and it was also the issue, the charger won't charge. Okay, let me test the charger to see if it has power. Showing that with my multimeter. Do we have power? 2. And it's dropping, you see? That means it had some voltage and now it's gone. Will it be in protection mode? Wait, let me remove the power, the AC power, and reinserting it again. Yeah, so it is. So the charger is working, but it is protecting itself because there must be a short on the board. Okay, so I'm gonna put the laptop under my power supply. Powering on my power supply to 12 volts. Let's see about that. There will be a big short because in laptop chargers there's some kind of protection. If there is a short on a laptop, the charger won't give any power, so that's why it doesn't charge. So let us connect our power supply and see our power, the meter over there. Yeah, it's taking about 6 amps and it drops about 0.09. The 6 amps that, and now it's charging. Let's see. Yeah, here we have the power LED, charging LED in the laptop. That means our charging circuit is working fine. But if you can see at the beginning, there was a stroke, current stroke that raised up to 6 amps or the maximum amperage, and then drops down. This stroke made the charger, the original charger, to stop working. So there must be something that's making this thing to happen, right? All right, let me open the laptop and see what's wrong inside. So the cover is out. Let's see over here. Can we spot something wrong? Okay, now here we have the power connector, and here we have, I think, is it over here or over here? No. Here we have the battery, and here we have the MOSFET that changes between the main power rail that comes from the power adapter and the battery. And here we have the charging current for the battery, the charging circuit, sorry, for the battery. here. So yeah, the board looks clean over here. There's nothing wrong. Alright, let me remove the battery and the board also and see underneath it because I can't see the first and second MOSFET over here. There's nothing. Okay, let me remove them and I'll get back. So, yeah, the board is out. Do we have anything attached? I can keep the fan over here. Now removing the chassis away. And let's see over here. Well, actually here the board looks clean. There's nothing about the other sides. Oh, yo, okay. I directly spotted the issue. Let me put the board under the microscope and show it to you in a better way. Well, definitely someone worked on this board before. Someone wrote power. That means this board had power issue. By visual inspection, I can see this BQ chip was worked on it before. Which number it is? BQ738. I hope it is still working. And over here we can find the beauty. Come on, technicians. Come on. It's not the first time you see this, right? I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. But why would someone make a wire strap on the input? What's wrong with the MOSFET? Okay, let me remove this thing before first. I'm moving the power connector. Come on. So what do you think? Will it be an easy job as usual or not? Okay, putting some flux first. I'm gonna remove this thing away and clean the board. Let me remove this MOSFET too. See what's wrong with this. Okay. Sorry about the glare. Cleaning the board. Right. Now testing the MOSFET. Testing the MOSFET alone. Well, maybe the MOSFET is okay. Yeah, the MOSFET is good. But why would someone make this mess? The MOSFET looks good. Let us check. Oh, the MOSFET just flew away. Okay, let me just over here. It will be better. And even here it looks good. Looks good. Okay, no problem. Let me enter back or let me solder back this MOSFET to its place. Where its place? Yes, it's over here. It's like forcing the power to be inserted, and the BQ chip won't understand that. Come on. Okay, great. So MOSFET is soldered in place. Testing again. Oh, it's very hot. That's why it gives me 400 voltage drop. It's rising. Yeah. Just 1 second to get. Could it be this is the issue? All good. All good. All good. So it seems to be good. Could it be that easy? Let me again test some components around. Nothing. All right. Why don't I put power and see if it will work? Inserting the charger this time. I won't put the power supply. I want to see the power working. Putting my multimeter into voltage mode. Finding best negative probe. Yes. Negative connector. Right. And yeah, here it is. Let's see over here. Do we have power? Yeah. Yeah. And it worked. It worked. Let's see. Do we have power over here? Yes. And also my charging LED is on. I can't believe it. Why would someone do something like this unless you have power problem or a BQ chip problem? Well, yeah, I just can't believe it. Our next step is gonna insert back the board in its place. I hope this thing will work again. But before I'm doing anything, let me just first inserting the board in its place. I'm gonna insert the battery again and see if it will take a normal power. Come on. Why it's not inserted? Is it good? Moving the antenna and the power supply. Yeah, good, 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 good. Everything in its place. Yes. Putting back the charging connector to its place. So everything is back. Almost everything. Yeah. So everything is back to its place. Let me insert the battery. Just 1 second. Is it good? Okay, this time I'm gonna insert my power supply to track what's happening on the boot up. And first, yeah, can't believe it. It's just normal. Charging, no harm. Okay, let me insert the. You see, there was no spike, current spike. It was good. Let me insert back the adapter. This is the original charger. Let's see if it will charge. Yeah, it's working. What's wrong? It's working. Yeah, it's charging. Let me turn on the laptop. One moment. Okay, first I should remove the hard drive. I don't want to boot it to the end. Okay, turning on. Here we have the power button. The laptop is not turning on. Why? What am I missing here? What am I missing? Oh, yeah, it's okay. It's a hinge. There's just a hinge. Of course, I didn't insert the power button cable. Sorry, my bad. Right. Okay. Now trying again to boot or to turn on. Yep, it's turned on. Will it boot? Why I don't have power? Why I don't have a picture? Am I missing something else? Ah, okay. Now I got it. You see, maybe I'm gonna check it again. So the power turned off and on multiple times. Now it should boot. Now we should have a picture. It could be that the BIOS is resetted. Do we have picture? Not yet. Yeah, it booted multiple times. Turned off and on multiple times. That means the BIOS has been resetted because I removed the battery. It's a normal thing, no problem. Because the board doesn't have a BIOS battery. It will take a while. Now the power button is flashing. What's wrong? There must be something not right. Okay, removing the battery again. Let me recheck my connections. Maybe my connections are not right. And yeah, the laptop did boot, so I didn't see the NVMe hard drive over here. Okay. You know why we don't have picture? Let me show it to you. This is also my mistake. The connector is not inserted correctly. I hope I didn't do any damage to the screen. Come on, tight space. I can't work like this. Okay, first let me reassemble the hinge right. Now, after inserting everything in its place, the board is back again. Now, I'm inserting the original adapter and see if, yeah, the charger is on. It's working fine. I still can't believe why would a technician do something like that. Something happened before and he couldn't figure it out. I don't know what it is. We still need to make some tests to be more sure. Okay, flipping the laptop, test it, turning on the laptop. The laptop is on. You see the power over here. So the board must be resetted because it doesn't have a BIOS battery and we removed the battery for a while. Yeah, perfect. Let's see CMOS. Yes, it means the CMOS has been reset. That means our BIOS has been reset. The laptop restarted once, turning on again. Yep, it didn't boot. Why? Okay. Yep, after the third restart, the laptop is on and it's loading the Windows. But is it charging? I didn't put my power supply. This is the original charger plugged in. Perfect. Let's see, how about the charging circuit? Is it working? Let's see the battery. So this sign means that my DC plug is plugged in and it is reading the battery 86%. If I remove the battery, the charger actually, what will happen? Yeah, it's reading fine. Let's see, waiting for the percentage to be raised. But meanwhile, while I'm waiting for the percentage to be raised up, why I don't check the battery voltage, right? The battery is on, sorry, the laptop is on, it is still on. Let's see the voltage. Let us see the voltage. Here we have the negative. I think my battery charger is, yeah, battery connection is over here. 13.2, but it's not charging. Oh, no, it's full. It's full. My charger, my battery is about 11.5 and this giving me 13.2. That means the battery is fully charged, but the BQ chip is not reading it well. There is a way to reset this thing. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. Let's see. Yeah, it will always be an 86%. It will never raise up. So first, turn off the laptop. In this laptop, it's gonna take a little bit more time to make this process since we don't have a BIOS battery. Now the laptop is off, removing the charger. All right, removing also the battery, removing the battery. Okay, turning the laptop back to its place. Pressing the power button for 10 seconds. Inserting back in charger. Turning on the laptop will be on. Okay. No problem. CMOS reset. Perfect. Now we go to management, computer management. We go to device manager. Let me zoom in. Batteries, and we delete every battery that we have over here. Perfect. Turning off the laptop again. Okay, the laptop is off. Removing the power adapter. Pressing the power button for 10 seconds again. Okay, inserting back the battery. For this time, I'm gonna use 2 screws, not more. So as I test the battery, it seems to be fully charged, but the EC chip or the battery chip is not reading like this. It's giving me like 86%, and it says, okay, now the battery is fully charged. It's not right. It's not true. That's a false alarm. That's a false reading. Now, inserting back the adapter. Power charging adapter is on. Turning on the laptop. If this way it doesn't work, there is another way. I'm going to talk about it in a moment. It's a long process, but it should do the job. Other than replacing the battery to buy original one or buy another one. Now this is the last time. Now the laptop will boot. Great. Let's see our battery. It says 87%. So, as usual, if I keep the charger for a longer time, the battery and the AC chip will calibrate the readings, and it should be good. But this process can take much longer time. Okay, the other process that I'm talking about is I remove the charger and keep the battery on the and keep the laptop on the battery until it drops to 2%, and the laptop will turn off. We'll turn it on again. Turn it on again. It will turn off. Turn it on again. And it will turn off again multiple times until the laptop won't boot up anymore with the battery. By then, I reinsert the charger, and it should be calibrated. So by then, the EC chip will read the battery in a proper way, and will keep a percentage accurate to the battery. Okay, after waiting a while, let's see how much my battery dropped. Yeah, it's good, 80%, but as you can see, we don't have a reading. There must be an update to be able to be made in order to make the battery to be led by the AC chip. Anyway, I can plug in the charger. Let's see if it will charge. If I get 81%, that will be good. Still waiting for the power or for the percentage to become 81%. Yep, there you have it. So that means my charger is good, my battery is good. It took that long time to raise to 1% more. That's good. Uh, by time the laptop will calibrate itself, or the battery will calibrate itself and making a good reading to the EC chip. As I said, it will be a long process. For the sake of this video, I can't do it right now. But anyway, I hope you learned something new with this video. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you for support, and I will see you another job. Bye.